Okay? So, the first one is called Sama. S-A-M-A. Sama. Sama means tranquility. Okay? So that's the first condition of the virtue that you need to cultivate. Tranquility. What that means, tranquility? Serenity. I just replace it with another word. What that means exactly? Calm. Emotionally balanced. That's what it means. If a person is really in crisis, yeah, crying up and down, getting very upset about something, cannot sleep well at night, and then get into addiction or into some kind of behavior of self-destruction, I'm asking you, do the person and that person has sama or not? No, lacking quality. So the person would have to acquire this quality, sama, serenity, means calmness of mind, by the practice of yoga. Okay? By the practice of meditation, asana, pranayama, japa, you come to calmness. Okay? So that's the number one. It doesn't mean that you repress your emotions, It doesn't mean that. It just means that you have to come to terms with something. You have to come to terms with your desire that makes you up and down, happy, unhappy, blameful, all this. You have to come to terms with this. You have to learn how to live a sattvic life. So you can have sattvic or pure emotions that will make your mind calm. Okay? Because otherwise you will not see yourself. Qualification means that. You will not see yourself. You will not see the truth of yourself. Because the mind up and down will just project different ideas. When you chase after that, you chase after your shadow. You chase after your tail. Okay, so calm down. Yoga. Sama.